So hello friends. Today is a very powerful day, and I wanted to just give you like a breakdown on what is look like for a local SEO project I'm doing, more like a side, one of my businesses, right? So this is a business directory for Ohio. Location is Ohio, right? And for me, I just because I look at the trends, I'm looking at the trends and seeing what is happening, right? So business owners, right? So businesses now we are looking at we are in a situation or we are in the phase where most business owners they are very skeptical spending just quite a lot. Small business owners, right? So I'm very concerned for small business owners. So I see it in a situation where they're very skeptical in spending quite a lot of money for their marketing, but they expect just a lot of things. So that's like very difficult, right? And for me, I was like, okay, so Victor, there are just some things you can help them with, probably helping them utilize SEO traffic coming in, right, and creating little inventories where they can as well showcase their business and get a percentage of the traffic that we generate in general, right? And I said, okay, fine. The best idea to do this is basically doing directories, specific directories, and directories is like one of the fastest way. Of course, you have to put in the work, but it's one of the fastest way that you can generate quite a good number of traffic coming in to a particular system within a number of time. Then you can decide to spread leads for businesses based on who is paying the more or based on who is in the right position at the right time. All right, and this is why we started local lead R. Right, so for local lead R at the moment, we is a directory for is a directory for local businesses in Ohio. All right, so the idea is, excuse me, my screen is just going to be misbehaving, but I'm not using my other camera. So the idea is to get, so this is for service for biz for it before it was for service based businesses in Hawaii, like home service, right? So I was like, okay, so Victor, I think we just need to generalize per locations, right? So this one now is going to be servicing the local businesses in Hawaii, USA. All right. So for me, I intend, so these some categories I'm going to be including more categories like restaurants, travel agency, resorts, beauty spa. So at the moment, already seeing good SEO spikes. So this project is less than 2 months, right? And if you can remember, I always say that was the song I was using. I remember I always say I would want to do for the first 30 days and look at what it looks like first before I start actually doing lots of work on it, right? So for the past 30 days, this is what we got. We got our first two spikes and we got like 43 keywords in place. Which of course I see this very as healthy because there are quite a good number of so if you see here, the the SEO difficulty is pretty clean, which I feel there's an opportunity, but these are just the ones that are pulling up immediately. All right, and for now, no backlinks yet. No backlinks yet. I just wanted to do keyword research, so I just created how many blogs? Let me see. Yeah, I just created less than 10 blogs. So basically, what is going to happen at the moment is I'm going to be prioritizing my click through rates and optimizing my click through rate. So it means I'm going to be doing more of changing my title tags, changing my meta descriptions, changing most of the yes title tags and meta description because this is what directly affects my click through rates. I'm going to be writing more blogs and more blogs related to this home service businesses and tips. Yeah, so basically most of the blogs are coming in from GPT, although I'm reviewing them and I'm doing some more human touch, right? But is most of the blogs are coming from AI, right? Just to make sure that I'm getting traffic. I'm just utilizing AI, right? And so over here, this is another blog. That is first tree. So this is one, two, three. This is nine. I'm sure it's not up to 10. I'm very sure it's not up to 10. Ideally, the blogs I'm supposed to create like maybe like 30 to just stay healthy. Like 30. But it's just like nine. I mean, yeah. So you see it. That is 3 3. Okay, so this 12, right? So you see, just 12 blocks, which of course I still need to write more. Right, so this is what we're looking at here. Over here, 2 clicks. So this is my page. My pages, I have 160 pages, and 186 are not yet indexed. Right, that's only eight are not yet indexed because I have 106. So 160 are indexed. So if I look at my sitemap, let me know if my sitemap whether it has been able to read my sitemap. So one cool thing that I'm just getting to figure out is most times it may not really be able to read your site because this thing has not read my sitemap. But I did, I had to submit one URL over here. So I had to submit some URLs over here to give it access to like my website, to give the crawlers access to my website. And I didn't do any robot.txt. I didn't block any crawler. Yes, I think I did. I think I can't really remember. Let me see if I can see my robot.txt. I think I blocked some kind of crawler. I just wanted only Google crawlers to be able to crawl my website. And pretty that is that. So for me, what I'm looking forward to be doing next is doing writing more blogs. So if you see here, HTTPS experience is just 6. Writing more blogs, getting more listings, getting more listings. You see, the business listings at the moment are getting more listings and reaching out to most of these business owners to claim their listings. So for the monetization, I have price in here, but I'm just still considering if I should remove the price. And okay, so it's basically, so if you see here, so I've not yet added the price there. So I might just do a one time price that gives you access to everything. Give one time price with limited with the features and the categories because I don't really want to get the system off. For at the moment, I'm still using my hosting as a storage. I've not yet migrated to Amazon and something more different, right? So I just want to make sure my site is very very healthy. I have quite a lot of security on this site, so very very healthy enough. Right. So basically, that's what it looks like for me. That's what I'm doing as an SEO in my business and how it's going for me. Right. And probably you could want to look into building up directories just for the fun of it or for the business part of it. And if you would want to build a directory, you could always reach out to me. Okay, Victor, how do you build a directory? What's it looking like? And probably I'll give you like tips on how to get started and how to put up monetization. Very, very important, right? See you on the next one. Keep doing SEO. Cheers.